I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Find another reason to breathe this air. And now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me. Yeah, I knew it when I met you. I'm not the only one who's alone. Find me soon and take me home. I knew it when I saw you. I'm not the only one hanging on. Tie me to someone who will love me. Oh, never in my life did I wanna see you more than this. And every time you're lost, I wonder if you know you're missed. I'm breathing when I can, and I only hope you're watching this. I hope you know that I exist.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Today I'm on the water. Oh my gosh. Oops. So there's the waterfalls here. That's a Karekare waterfalls. So it's very nice. See guys. So I'm just gonna have to take a picture, right? Take a picture. Tapos ducks. Wow. I'm in the water, guys. Because I want to have a good cruise para guys na makitaan gyud ako ba makikita ko talaga ng maigi. Kailangan lalapit, diba guys? Diba? Sige, picture muna tayo, picture muna. Okay? Hello ducky. Hello duck. Oh, going back. Duck. Hello guys. Blink. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful here. That's nice. There's a... Oh, wow. Hold on a minute. Hey, what is that? Oh, hello there. Nice. Dot. Hello guys. Oi, back. Oh, you're gonna go back. Okay, hold on a minute. What kind of a duck are you? Wow, you're so show off, aren't you? Show off, man. Show off. Okay. Well, you are so beautiful. Wow. Oh, hello, Ducky. What are you up to? What are you up to, huh? Duck, duck, duck. Duck, 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 duck. Bark, 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 bark. Where are you going? Okay. You okay? Oh, look at the duck. Can I touch you, duck? Ducky. Duck, can I touch you? Touch. Come closer. Come on. Come closer, ducky. Come closer, ducky. Hello. Float this way. Come on. Come on, ducky. Come on, ducky. Come on. Come closer. Come closer. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. The waterfall is not that strong, as you can see. It's supposed to be coming this way, but now at the moment it's not that very strong. Guys, I'm going to the other side. The other side of the waterfalls. So, yeah. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Whoa. Right. So you go this way. Okay, this is Nico. It's Nico Farms. And then if you wanna go right on the top there, you can. It's not very. We're just gonna go this way. Oh, look at that. Hello. Hello there. guys, there's no snakes in here. Sa roots. It's a crocodile down there. So, hello. What are you doing? Huh? Guys, I'm on the other side of the waterfalls in Karekare Beach. You can see that. Right to the top. Yes. Yep. It is really beautiful here, friends. Hello. Following me. Go closer. Nice. Slippery. Yes, see that? So beautiful. Anyway guys, my hands is being a little bit you know, shaky. But I am really close here, as you can see there. The water is not really that much, just a little bit, you know, because of it's not much raining going on in here. Okay, I'm gonna whoa. Okay. Ah, I almost slipped there. I'm glad that I got a good shoes. Ah. Ah. Okay guys, I have to start heading towards the other area, the other place, because there's another oops. Oh. There we can go. Okay. Oh, hello guys. Hello. Hello. It's nice to really come to the nature, because it's more like you enjoy it. I could have a look at this guy here. It's a roots there. It's a roots. It's a really funny roots. Nice roots. Hey guys, let's do it, eh? Yeah. Yeah. I love it. But look at that. I have to. Nice and cold. But guys, it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Ouch. Ow. Ah, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, 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 yes. Huh? Oh my gosh. It's really cold. Yeah. I'm supposed to be doing that over there, but someone there earlier, so I didn't do that. No. Bye, Dad. Thank you. I'm very happy, guys, because this is the best birthday ever. I love nature. Definitely, I love nature. See? I can just go on the water. You have to be brave. Brave. Huh? And it gets a duck here. Ducks. And there's a different ducks, like a black one. And yeah, just one. It's got no mate. By himself. Herself. This duck's got a blue feathers. Naa siya blue. So mga guys, kung gusto niyo pumunta rito sa New Zealand at gusto niyo pumunta rito, pwede kayo mag-swimming dito kasi walang linta, walang leech. Okay? Pero the water is cold kung winter time or autumn. Kinahanglan nga moari mo dire, pangyod ka ng tag-init, okay? Nya magtags mo. So I don't have a tag, so no swimming for me, okay? Oh dear, I love it. I love it. Nature is my twins. Nature is my surname. See, it's not much. It's not much. So guys, because I love the nature so much, I wanna be as close as I can. The closer I can get, it's the best. Bye bye, Ducky. Did you give her some food?
Yep.
Bye bye, Ducky. Until next time. Yeah, it's so far away, you know, because we are in somewhere in outside Auckland. Okay. Bye bye, falls, waterfalls. I enjoy my day today. Thank you so much. And now we are heading back to where we come from. Oh, 12 minutes. Okay.
Poison, toxic to people and animals.
People and animals. Oh my gosh. The last time I've been here is back 2021. Oh, 2001. That was 20 years ago. And Adam said that he's been up to the top when he was young. Now, I don't think he can climb that fast.
I went down on the tent.
Yeah. Wow, that's amazing. I love it. I love. Adam got my backpack. It's a hard day, nothing but a hard day,